Okay, and I just jumped ahead. I'm now logged in. Here I am. Here's our mansion and stuff. And now we need to pull this thing into, we need to do importing it, which means we need to import that file. Well, the problem is the file is not on the server yet. And for people that are doing content creation and they don't have their own server, this is a problem because they don't have a way to transmit the file over to the actual Asheron's Call server. For me, it doesn't matter because, yeah, it's here with me. So, I'm back on D, AC SQL. This is the Iron Guard Fire Hammer. This is what we were just working on. I'm going to click on copy, and then I'm going to go right on over to it. And what I mean to it, I'm going over to the server where the content is sitting, which that could be different in different situations, but eventually you'll find a content folder that will have JSON and SQL. So we want to jump into the SQL and then the weenies, and I'm going to paste that guy in here. I cannot find paste, so I'm going to do Control V. Control V is also paste. Do date modified. Iron Guard Firehammer. There it is, 170061. So let's jump back over to here, import. So we're doing the command import SQL 160071. And I totally goofed that up. 170. Yeah, see, that's probably a really good dyslexic move of myself. Or the fact, sleep deprivation. 170061 imported. So that's a good sign. It says that it converted it also to JSON. So it's important. It's not that important to note, but yes, there is JSON, and then there's weenies, and then there's it. It has made all these all by itself. Like I said, I only rely on SQL. It does convert it to JSON just in case, but I don't use it. So I'm going to do CI, which means create in my inventory. I'm going to be creating the hammer. And let's see what it looks like. And that's about it. There's the hammer. I guess it would be good to know what's on it. So we have our 36 to 92 fire. That's our variance. Plus 22, plus 18, plus floor. It's got the spells that we want. It's got the rendering and the other imbues that we want. I do believe this guy is good to go. If you ever want to make a change to it, I am now on the server itself, right where I copied that file. And this is where method number 3, directly modifying the SQL file, really comes into play, because you can come in here and say, oh, I forgot, I wanted to change the name, Flaming Hammer. I do that because that sounds weird to me. And that's about it. I think we're cool. If you have any questions, please ask. I'm not the expert, but I'm trying to help others. Basically, this is like a big old toy box, and we can all make cool stuff and fun stuff. So, that's out. Woohoo!